Black was saying, and now the Danko Akufo-Addo kono the Ghana flight ni sign ekoye.
Aye.
And okay, this is the pictures of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, the president.
Yes.
Ebrana Omo Eko Rwanda.
Yes.
Right. And a very nice program. Very, very nice program. And of course, Rwanda's president, Paul Kagame, and president the groundbreaking ceremony for construction of a biotech vaccine manufacturing plant at Kigali. And the project no any. But I just saw pictures. Could you talk Black was say, what I hear right up 10. Or say, Obolo, could you talk Black was say on the write up? Or say, okay.
Yes, go vi. I say, my pain na nado Danko Akufo-Addo. Wasa kan ho biem. Na eka waka no ho biem ni na say na no ye to the foot a wanfa. Okofa flight and ne bo den pa e na de tu kwan. Na okode da wiem ni ade dware ye jonso ye bibia. Ene so okọ Kigali wasa koka no ho biem.
So person chest flight
ni mu nie ni o my pain na nado Danko Akufo-Addo e fa ye e de ko Kigali.
The old flight pictures of the buy. So could you to Black doing this?
Say the same flight na. The same flight now. But Oshe Mupa na Oshe interior now. Coffee flight no number yes, the code no A319. Coffee say flight ne omu ahodo bebre. Kigali president, Rwanda president. Na no tu kwan ya. Or the normal flight ya na ko no kwatena VIP. Oduru ba bia na oko. Na go feed there na si. Go feed o tu kwaya nti o the normal flight go nti go drew.
Oh come on.
In the midst of
you are talking about
go feed them in the midst of yeah ka say Ghana mu aye di. Ah no aka admit say Ghana aye di.
We should not be hypocrite.
No, we are not. But go feed in any case. See you Ghana we so.
Flight na mu afere na more problem and say
go feed e boa na e da so no. According to near tete no,
okay,
about 20,000 euro per hour. 20,000 euro per hour. It is so could be 10 hours. Akufo saying.
Na say Ghana yet tikazo come de. Nti ye treska so all ma come ne wa bra otiska.
Go vi enti okọ.
Na ka say ye tiska so come de na e de ade.
Ya bo tena tie me. Okọ ba ye no. Okọ ba ye no.
Wa come no.
Go vi. Go vi ko Rwanda ba ye no.
Yes.
Ebua Ghana for bebo about 480,000 euro.
That is
according to yetete no about 480,000 euro. And now my pain another Danko Akufo-Addo ekotua ma mo a flight no your modia no. Na se medika ka say 20,000 euro per hour. It is about say 480,000 euro dia na che say ebi wom kakra wom. That is Australia almost 12 hours.
That is according to
yes. That is according to the
yetete no. Maminya the picture mo journey on Facebook page. Let me see the.
Now this time around the all corner the my beautiful Rebecca Dokoye.
No one could be say.
What I say way official yeah there be na na on time the first lady got there but sisi ade oni my beautiful Rebecca and the call na kofi ocean flights mu dia kofi e be me dese na katie fo so benya daje pa na commercial flights mu ye pa emu ofe mu akono
but it's a nice thing.
Oma bayin na da kwa kufu ade guy kofi
so that is the claim
yes
a black a claim
yes.
And these are the images of there but Nana Danko Akufo-Addo at Kigali yentie in some of the tuja on biotech Africa vaccines are on person when we
met in Marburg in Germany some 4 months ago, there were some who secretly doubted our resolve to bring this all-important project, which will boost Africa's capacity to be self-reliant in the production of vaccines, to fruition. I'm happy we have with today's event been able to confound these doubting Thomases. I'm grateful to my senior and good friend, the redoubtable President of the Republic of Rwanda, His Excellency Paul Kagame, for inviting me to participate in this great groundbreaking ceremony and to signal to the rest of the world the commencement of this end-to-end vaccine manufacturing facility involving Rwanda, Senegal, and my own country of Ghana. Financing for the entity is being provided by a consortium of financial institutions led by the International Finance Corporation, of which the European Investment Bank is an important member.
Okay, and Tiway and another Akufo-Addo. Therefore, these are the images, and but on one quick Kigali, who say a lot of changes.
Yes,
a difference about
COVID flight way a 19 VVIP passenger the Alex flight. Now it is celebrated for about 5,600 nm to about 10,400 kilometer range. Now, COVID a 5 auxiliary center tank for intercontinental range, and the maximum takeoff about 12 hours.
I know the
a 5-star, flight.
Anyway, so that is the pattern on the new patriotic party. Between 15th and July.
Yes.
15th July and
15th, 16th, 17th.
Maminya or okay, wow, this is the flight.
Yeah, coffee inside the
conference room,
yes. Coffee BBA. Oh. Say 19-seater flight. It's in Yakani na a conference room. Baby, I dan library, baby, didi, baby, jare, baby, hey, coffee, baby, where you know, who's the
guy. No. Anyway, so Walker, Mame, the new patriotic party.
The new patriotic party.
Or more release of 1 hour qualify after the vetting and everything.
So far, 47 of their candidates and are qualified so far.
Now, fire call the chairmanship.